Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about home decor or simply love to DIY, then you've come to the right place. I'm your host, and I am thrilled to share my expertise and passion for crown moldings with you. Crown moldings can transform a room from ordinary to extraordinary, and I'm here to show you how. Stick around as we delve into the world of crown moldings, and I promise by the end of this video, you'll be as excited about them as I am. Let's get started. Ever wondered how to install crown moldings? Crown moldings are ornamental trims that add a touch of elegance to your room. They adorn the area where the wall meets the ceiling, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home decor. This video will guide you through the process of installing crown moldings step by step. To install crown moldings, you need the right tools and materials. Start with the crown moldings themselves, then gather adhesive, nails, a trusty hammer, a precise miter saw, and an accurate tape measure. With these tools and materials, you're all set to start the installation process. The first step in the installation process is measuring and cutting the moldings. Start by measuring the wall and ceiling length where the molding will be installed. Remember, precision is key here. Jot down these measurements and mark them on your crown moldings. Now, it's time to cut. Using a miter saw, make your cuts at the correct angle. A pro tip: always double-check your measurements before making the cut. Once you have cut the moldings according to the measurements, you can move on to the next step. Now it's time to install the cut moldings on the walls. Bring out the adhesive, apply it in a zigzag pattern on the back of your molding. This ensures a strong bond with the wall. Now align your molding with your marked lines on the wall and press it firmly in place. The next step is securing the moldings with nails. This will guarantee they stay put and maintain their elegance for years to come. With the moldings securely installed, the final step is to finish and polish them. The last step in the process is finishing and polishing the installed moldings. To create a seamless look, fill any gaps or holes with caulk. Once the caulk is dry, take your sandpaper and gently smooth the surfaces. Now comes the exciting part: painting or staining. Choose a color or stain that complements your room decor. Apply evenly for a polished look. With these steps, you can successfully install crown moldings in your home, transforming your rooms into elegant living spaces. Before we wrap up, we'd like to take a moment and ask for your support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We would also love for you to join our community by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested in installing crown moldings. And last but not least, click on the bell icon to receive notifications every time we post a new video. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.